The electrical resistance spot welding process uses an electrical current to generate heat and melt a specific spot on the wire fan guard. This is achieved by passing a high current through the workpiece for a very short time. The heat generated melts the metal at the spot and forms a weld. The weld is then cooled and solidified to form a strong joint. This process is commonly used in manufacturing industries for joining metal sheets and wires together, such as in producing wire fan guards. View more information at ablehardware.com.